Animal Park by Judy Nair. What can we learn about wild animals by watching them? The hot sun is up at camp. Camp is in a big, big park. This land is home to many animals. Can we see them? Yes, just get in the truck. Bump, bump, bump. Quick, stop. A band of zebras runs past us. They blend into the grass. Big cats rest up. They had a big hunt. Cubs can bat at bugs. Big birds stand in tan grass. They can run fast. Big hippos sit in wet mud. It is hot, but mud is not hot. Big elephants stand and sip in the pond. They can stomp and swim in it. Bump, bump, bump. The truck is back at camp. This park is home to many animals. It was fun to see them.